In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with NatWest Mobile Online, a 2025 guide. Whether it's sorting out your personal banking needs or anything more complex, scheduling an appointment with NatWest Online is a straightforward process and will walk you through the entire journey. Let's start by visiting the NatWest official website. Open a browser on your computer or mobile device and simply type in www.natwest.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice the search bar prominently placed on the top side. This is your gateway to finding whatever you need on their site, including scheduling an appointment. In the search bar, enter the term schedule appointment. Moments later, you'll see various results pop up. Scroll through these to find the link that reads schedule a branch appointment online. This is the specific link that will take you directly to the appointment scheduling page. Once on the appointment page, look for a button that says set up online banking. This particular button will be highlighted, making it easier to find. Click on it and you'll be taken to the next stage of the scheduling process. This step is critical as it ensures you have the right access set up for managing your appointments online. Now, let's move to the selection part. You'll notice options for different types of appointments. Here, you'll need to choose the category that suits your need. Whether it's personal banking, business services, mortgages, or credit card related queries, select the one that best fits the service you require. Now, while I can't walk you through every single step after this due to personal information requirements, the process from here is straightforward. Just follow the prompts, fill out any required fields accurately, and NatWest will guide you through the necessary steps to complete your appointment scheduling. While entering your details, make sure you're in a space with good internet connectivity and have any necessary documents handy to ensure the process goes smoothly. Double check for accuracy, especially in your contact information, since this is where confirmation messages or reminders about your appointment may be sent. I hope this guide has made scheduling a NatWest appointment not only understandable, but simple and hassle-free. Now you're ready to tackle any banking needs with ease and efficiency, all from the comfort of your own home or while on the go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips helping simplify your online banking experience. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your appointment.